Share your online portal no and some adomonline.com, myjoyonline.com and same good obon krata so abana adomonline.com ko wa we amanyo nsem free wa yanka se dada asetenem de kan say human interest stories ni nyina bi wo ho obi man so nsem foreign stories e bi wo ho na nse de he eyi ne kwa de aboroso you know sports no ye bo afcon nti aboroso eni gidie mu nsem entertainment ni nyina wo ho tips ahodo bi e be ma dada asetenem mu nsem akoye no ni nyina wonti na mesro so sori no pa mesro fa fo no ubie we internet na no akọ adomonline.com no akọ kenkan semwa egugo ni bi se be ya ebusa wa obanyam enchiremu na kwasinsi aso aye krado incoming ne nkrata no so kuta no asante mamponde hye ya ye behwe nkrata dodo no a aba no animu nsembe kwasi enanso yeda foforo
nyame de ache ye
akra bo so me ne kwa wi
but still next week
say January yes
fat
still next week January
fat 2 3
ti eginam
say next week next that's January and that will be the 8th week
yes in January
nyame adom kakra we are ending the 2 months in a row
yes nyame adom ya twa fees
yes
books na yanto
oh yes
by ya twa fees
oh esenche kwesi twumbetua ka
onche
tika ka ekire nyina na
next week by now dear
yes
na you your left from your right na say bibia akoyi
say bia hye ye ade yame asna santima poni jadem adwa
ye na si wo
sem ko ni jadem sem bi wapto no nye ka ko na ahwe amemre no muntimi ntubi
MPP de ye betro memende yi
yes
ahwe asante mampo muntimi
ntubi
anhwa
say ade nsan ya ye munyame
so
na de
anhwa na ka
but emanfo bi akọje injunction abeto so
okay
omdi kan akọje first one asem twentwen ye koduru em say appeals court as a high court ma ko ne de bese na enu ebua na mkoto presidential primaries enom so mon sante ase
okay
omo sako siki for another injunction e de abeto so na I'm only hoping say party ni pen for will do the needful
na de hono nipa na yi omutini do so ana
I think for now nipa 2 ye MP no ne
incumbents and another person
ne ba otete no e wa amanyo sem
na sa no se ni go pram bi ni bi okay
na amana yehu
okay
ayehu me to be honest na me think na me face say emuda ho plane de ma MP but me call no
call grounds no
enye se na me susu no different
enti hwan ya fa na wo hwe a wakwaji injunction no
for now the omo maji injunction omo nchire
obi omo gina
omo so ye delegate omo se ye omo din the free album nim
okay
over 300 delegates
oh wow
and omo se ye omo din the free album
nti until so omo din beba mu
eni akofa nkrofo omo qualified to be delegates
okay
edi abehye album so omo nkoto aba
na say be 300 they've been replaced
yes
ye de obi abehye wo mo anam asa nkrofo no otumi beto aba
sa no mo ka
ati say de ye omo na ye to aba no okay
to makoje injunction
edi abeto so okay
yeah ene ye asem dem o pise ora malek ne mpanifo aka ebehwe na omotimi SCC
say you preach free and fair election so if indeed 300 people need a delegate omudi adanse so me a delegate then I think the right thing should be done.
Election is free. It has never been
fair. Oh okay.
Election is free.
It's free
but it's not fair.
But you need to be a pretty free and fair election.
We don't fight for it.
Okay.
But we fight for fairness.
Yes.
Especially in Africa. You fight for fairness. You don't fight for free. Free ne say wo koto abobi e no di to si ko se be koto.
Ne mo wato abi ewie ne ho
se ne be ya wo de ne be kan no. No fairness no.
Okay.
Wo de ne say ya atobalo paper mu.
What team awie na akọ wura.
Say ya ye be kan wo de
ne ye be kan no. Eno na ye okay.
Fairness.
Fairness na nkwat am player ye betima to aba so ye beto ye no be kan.
In opposition say let my vote
counts.
Fairness. Okay. They didn't say let me vote. Cause anyone say then ya won't vote. Now vote you send ye be counting no.
Okay. And only asem no. All right.
Na adua MB for abato ye. Bibi so koso obibi ni anua so be kwai. At the western region here.
Yes.
Just our MPs na ebe kan na numiensa free na all of a sudden. Ni ye akwan ye bie.
Gidi no.
Yes.
Ye got test.
Ye be storm sa de no ye twam.
Obagana for any teal.
No, yes, ye twem was sudden.
It
took up Bibiani and so all of a sudden. The member of parliament, then ya brakofa in Fidia basic quan.
Yeah, 2 years by next 2 weeks by now, and Fidia.
That is Fabian.
But you know, Obi Subaka said we are preaching so 1 year my and no more year complaining. we are not against the incumbent member of parliament say all your projects in one area, but the timing make us all the emphasis say what's now so 4 years. You've been lobbying and lobbying and lobbying. And you have 3 days, 1 week. I'm a
quarter
parliamentary candidate. No, after the approve is a quanaquay on Potamuka, and no, Omujina so her acha Busumi Munuso twice. No quine in our Yenihan and so bridge
because you're quine for vote.
For vote,
you're quine see, yes, yes,
it's me a quine out now, so I and she never for quine.
Do let you young quine, son can your point. Do let you young quine, so can
I junior be
okay, say, man, and I am so I'm a boy.
Abeka na watch me at opinion.
And from the one was over Tanakuyan, one song can you find your point.
Make us say, some way your crop for my dream with the anybody or better tries hard in the course, and no crown is enough reason was a mututia. Some what to say, yeah, don't yet I communities bigger. Yeah, the better TVs no baba, yeah, fine. But what's not say Abeka now watching me, you know, I'm here better to a battle. Nasa what's a project neso because when is a Ghana for doing more. It's after no more Juma day and night. Now some woman will say, Omo to abani we ya try 2 weeks contract basis and near Marco. It's Mamma way and lobimo. Or be about change to election period and some of project automatically or your failure Montunziano.
I do news is not wake as chieftain's minister.
Yes. Was a man penny dada with free mono. Because I say near maybe.
But I know I'm a cancer say. They send workers or see Mampania smoking about
the entire confused for or more a project.
And I make cancer, we say. And one was a Mampani Casa, one Caswahili.
Okay,
tree and not
English. Yes, yes, a Casano. I feel you'll be my different contest.
Politicians, like us. Name the entire.
Any part of your penny.
So I can't French and I can't one French. I was saying, Obi Babach richly. As my Mampani carry the whole play be at us. Oh, yes, after what Babach
or my different contest. Or my different contest.
And the two are so many of them.
Mampani that
what not some more power.
What's not 8 years old?
What am more power? It's one emotion.
Say a election.
Somebody is so Nipa being a cool Johnny Vance at
8 years.
Who were police? Who was CID? And not come up and cross up our CDS for
yes.
Yes. Former chief of army staff is
power.
Military. Dear no one near waiting for investigation. I could not the Munina must because President Anado Danko is commander in chief of my Ghana. To Chroma Busum in Ashma to say, Mother found no money now, but we are found as well. It's one equation.
Almost 8 years. You know,
sudden airtime.
It's an election year.
Because see, you also give people a Yanakophobica and a gun and a born hooker and an A in a gun and a far hooker. JJ Rollins a year, and your bush your phone a year, gun and a hooker. And I am publishing JJ autopsy report. There be na but Mammy Teresa Kofu ye, and your banner ye, but I am publishing the autopsy report. And we want my airtime. That's so my me patronium to near Ebony, and yet state barrier. And there might be one much Yana. Ujinwa be near the Amanyos. Be near the Amanyos. Your election year. Open the Kuna. President Kufa will to me to call for seeing investigation. One the Kun, don't even Satamels. Ya Bremo. After 7 to 8 years, Fena Yebetwa, Niakoshabus, Yabiachi, and the addition of William and a Yodium. Koshem was soon on Tiasia. And maybe a time, and I make us say, Sabus for the Bama, so much as I ever to and maybe was here stopping Mampany from receiving certain visitors. Because to me, can't tell some more buy no or met now reception near Nim, come on, the Brahman Penny. Now, some Penny won't be with us. Just all send a papa Moadua. Sa publication eba nene kwa se ka president kwa prema ne babontin eye ne kwa se mo man ade 8 good years 8 good years
eno no yes o mo betena akonwa so o
emo ne ewe
opanyin na ka se good years say 12 years
and obi ne quarter mes and obi ne quarter mes kwachi ni pakro
burning issues Agona West MPP primary in limbo. And on ABY, and it's not say Namibia's president going to US for cancer treatment. Well, say a bibrim hano. Yes, Sabia papa. And we don't invest in our own into Yaria near Kobe Marshall. ni akohoye ho. Deputy Attorney General Chides Martin Pebu, the state took ACP Agojo through a needless trial, a frivolous case. Martin Pebu no Mali gold mine collapse kills dozens. Okay.
Daily Graphic also a looted Asante relics returning home. Okay. Coup plot 6 to die, 3 acquitted. Many women opting for C-section warring. Is that doing so? A hard dream.
Yakoya is a pie, many
a hard dream.
Say, I don't know fast.
Yeah, but a hard dream.
I don't know until
Uze uti doctor from them. I dream pon a teach na.
I dream pon a dear.
Money be the yes sardin.
And a dear.
And no say because I do any part the ye chabako. Ye charm ye no, ye charm ye son. Ye chow puna what in it.
So move your mopam.
And I'm saying, no, there be a ye chowa.
Ah, now, when I mucha near any a pamano.
There be a say, ye chow, nipper say, ye chow puno. And I'm more than it.
Me be there, and I imagine your work on a tomb. I am a product of cesarean session. But Penny, my better hospital, Nansa, ye the chim, Mimi 2 a.m. may be the forced labor. Ye forced labor, because my woman you need that. Ye forced labor in your chim Jacolana. At the end of the day, we could read theatre. And I may say, send me him say me ko theatre and come and koda ho 9. And kadana me dey me bag wura ho na me wa ho den because it got to a point na me 9 years nyina bubu. I was paralyzed. It is send me himself forced labor na say na me nyina amboa me and come twe me me ko wura hospital. Ba me pie na me wheelchair mu. And come twe me bag ase ko wura kam ko me sere mo. Munyi ma se nyina mfa me ko theatre. So sometimes to save you the stress of 2 days, 3 days, chim ye chawasere ho akora ni mo because me na nyina bubu. Yes me mpega me na ni so kwa me mpega.
Because we in Ghana Health Service for nim de pa Ghana Health Service omne kasa say.
But the I worry and they say on say me koda ho omo try all other means amfa. And at the last place I dem ko was theater. But say obi be wura ho bi onyin say ni mu nyina no adi ka ka che the doctor say time me so pa dey ya
already page 13 especially paragraph 7. I want a trimpon one.
A tripo and casa reason in tia. Owura ho anu aka che doctor say we twa me na yi akola no. Oh, okay.
Still maybe that super some looky
young and nice.
$900 million World Bank support.
Oh, happy na Matias. Oh, na say I nya say award nya never mo hwabi. Oh, munya botre na.
Government received first tranche of $300 million. Daily Graphic that we buy. Ghanaian Times to NEM. Attempted coup plot 6 to hang for treason. ACP Agojo 2 others freed. World Bank approved $300 million for Ghana to promote economic growth. Houthi sacked after Ghana AFCON group stage exit. GRA target 146 billion Ghana cedis in 2024. Daily Guide. Big 6 coup plotters to hang, 3 acquitted. Hard season begins. Asabi calls for probe into Mills' death. Ghana, Estonia hold digitalization talks. US-based Ghanaian immigration lawyer sued for fraud. Daily Guide. The business analyst. Don't misuse $600 million IMF cash, Mahama tells Akufo-Addo. GRA promises to focus on customer service to meet target of 146 billion Ghana cedis in 2024. Ghana to save $2.8 billion in debt servicing to bilateral creditors between 2023 and 2026. GPRTU ordered drivers to maintain existing fares as negotiations continue. Baumia embarks on working visits to Estonia, the business analyst.
Abusuana said the Obankra Champions and Pensemo online portal so several yedi akogu ne yeda ye ho abado kai say na agwakansie wo ho na afa ya sepa ye ho asemi no ebedika ti asemi dika kwasinsia ne bebro metna so na interviews ahodo bi wo ho no metwa firi ha ma na afa empensempensemu atwaso bedwam so ne enko bebia